To select this, I just pressed Ctrl A. So select all, Ctrl C. In the bottom here, I opened a new instance of ChatGPT. Just paste this information. Now I'm going to write a new command. Hi everyone, in this video I want to quickly show you how you can use ChatGPT and CrawlQ's powerful sales copywriter together to create stunning sales letter, email sequences, headlines, teaching courses. So to access sales copywriter, so if you go to market message, you will see here sales copywriter, and this is designed completely different. So if you see here, if you click here, you will see different categories. These are different scripts basically organized in these categories. My favorite ones are emails, sales letters, teaching courses, and there are some more about webinar and generating more insights. If you wanted to see a lot of headlines, formulas here, you can use this. But let me pick one, and this is Sales Samurai. And under Sales Samurai, you have different types of sales letters, right? And you know the power of sales letter. Once you have them, you can sprinkle them all over your landing pages, in your copywriting, your blog pages, right? There are so many use cases of having a very good, well-crafted sales letter, right? So let me pick one. So this one is a three-step sales letter. It's based on Dan Kennedy short sales letter. It's using 3 steps. You tell prospect what you have as a product or solution. You tell them what your solution will do for them, and you give them a specific call to action telling your prospects what you want them to do next. Okay, so let's kick this off. We need to provide some basic inputs like document name and topic of interest so that you can recognize them. So here document name is says letter, best yoga mat for beginners. This is just a name, right? Main topic of interest, I'll keep it same as work space, and that's about best yoga mat for beginners. And we want to have an initial content idea as provide a detailed sales script for my landing page. Just these two are important. This is just to steer it in the direction, but they are not really sensitive because the sales letter is highly structured and organized based on a predetermined framework. So of course these are just initiators, but AI will take care of the structure and format. So don't worry if you make some mistake here. Provide some initial input, and I think we are soon going to get rid of this step as well. Okay, but for now you can provide these 3 inputs. Press create draft button, and a first draft will be generated soon. You can see once the output is generated, we are here. It looks highly formatted structure. It starts with grabbing the attention of our audience, yoga enthusiasts who are interested in expanding their yoga practice to include more difficult poses and looking for a mat that is easy to carry from home to office or from one trip to another. Fantastic, right? And then it has a very structured kind of a framework which is from Dan Kennedy, and it has all these bullet points, very well articulated structure. You can see it has everything that you need in a sales letter. It has sales argument, it addresses bonuses and whatnot, right? So it's a well structured, well crafted thing. Only problem here is some repetitions, some of the language can be improved, and that's what we are going to use ChatGPT for. Okay, so I'm going to copy this information and paste it inside ChatGPT. To select this, I just pressed Ctrl A. So select all, Ctrl C, and from here in the bottom here, I opened a new instance of ChatGPT. You can also work in the existing instance, doesn't matter, but let's use the new instance and just paste this information. You can also say paste as it is or paste as plain text. I'll do paste as it is. Now I'm going to write a new command in the end. Rewrite this sales letter using Dan Kennedy copywriting style using the current framework. Just rewrite. Right, I'm just providing some stupid commands, but you can make it much better. You can come up with more ideas, add more tone of voice, and many other things that you want to do. So I'm going to press this button and see what happens. I'm here on the paid version of ChatGPT, so I'm expecting faster turnaround time. But not sure, but let's wait. So here are results of my 2 attempts. So first attempt was this. To me, it seems ChatGPT was putting more like a summary because the original sales letter is quite long and it has many more points. But if I just read this, right, it's also a great way to take the big sales letter and create multiple versions of this sales letter on different angles, criterias, marketing and sales angles. We can focus in one marketing angle, in another one. But let me just go through this. So are you a beginner in the world of yoga, looking for the perfect yoga mat that provides comfort, support, and easy to carry around? Look no further than Yoga Mat Love. So this name is Love Yoga Mat from yogashop.nl. Yoga is a fantastic way to improve your flexibility, cardiovascular fitness, balance, and concentration. And with the right yoga mat, you can take your practice to the next level. That's why we are proud to offer the best yoga mat for the beginners on the market. Our yoga mat is made from high quality materials that provide excellent performance. Whether you are practicing at home or on the go, it's easy to carry and even folds up for convenient storage. Plus, it provides the perfect amount of cushion and padding for your knees, tailbones, head, wrist, and other areas that can become sore after long yoga sessions. But don't just take our words for it. Imagine feeling more relaxed, energized, and at peace after your yoga practice. With our yoga mat, you will be able to relax and practice for longer periods of time with ease. It's perfect for beginners who want to improve their flexibility, strength, and breadth. Our yoga mats are available in a variety of sizes, materials, and price points to suit all kinds of users. From beginners to advanced yogis, we have the perfect yoga mat for you. Plus, we offer free shipping within Netherlands and worldwide for a limited time. So why wait? Improve your yoga practice with the best yoga mat for beginners on the market. Try Love Yoga Mat today and experience the benefits of a comfortable, sturdy surface for yoga practice. And if for any reason you're not satisfied, we offer a 100% money back guarantee. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your yoga practice to the next level. Buy yoga mat now. It ends with a call to action. Now, you can see that the original sales letter has much more structure, bullet points. It expands upon, it's almost written perfectly except few issues like grammatical issues or structure issues. So this time I mentioned rewrite this sales letter, fixing grammar issues, use second person you, and that's it. So it's a rewritten version. Attention yoga enthusiast, if you're looking for expanding or looking to expand your yoga practice to include more difficult poses and need mat that's easy to carry, we have got the perfect solution for you. I think this is rewriting in the same way. The best yoga mat for beginners is here, the yogashop.nl Love Yoga Mat. This mat is made of high quality materials and provide excellent performance whether you are practicing at home or on the road. I think this is more or less the first paragraph here. Yes, this is a rewrite and maybe more precise, concrete version of the rewritten first para. Okay, so imagine feeling more relaxed, energized, and having peace of mind after practicing yoga. With the Love Yoga Mat, you will be able to relax and practice yoga for longer periods of time, even at home. Finding the right yoga mat is important, and we have a variety of mats to meet the needs of all users from beginners to advanced yogis. A yoga mat is an essential piece of equipment for any home or office yoga practice. It provides cushion and padding from the flooring allowing you to practice difficult poses without risking injury. The best yoga mats for beginners are sturdy yet light and easy to carry around, and the Love Yoga mat fits the bill perfectly. Right, trying to rewrite some sentences as I can see. If you are new to the yoga, it can be overwhelming trying to find the right mat for your needs, but don't worry, we are here to help. We carry many different types of yoga mats from major brands like Gaim, Manduka, and Yoga Matters. I think here there is some slight deviation, but we'll check, yeah. With the Love Yoga mat, you will get a comfortable and sturdy surface on which you perform various yoga postures. It's incredible easy to use and it will improve your balance and flexibility while making your practice more comfortable. Whether you are looking to relieve stress or improve your overall well-being, yoga is an excellent way to achieve those goals. It also reproduces the information more or less in the same way. So it's up to you to compare the two versions, see which version fits best. But if you're a little bit concerned about the grammar, the flow, or use of first or second person, you can easily fix using ChatGPT by just making some very simple command. Copy paste the output of any output of the sales letter, any sales letter, and just rewrite here in a short instruction what you want with it, right? And in this case, I just added last line, rewrite this sales letter fixing grammar issues and use second person you. Okay. So I hope this video you find value in this video and you can reproduce some of these sales letter output in different versions, short, long, using different tone of voice. You can also ask ChatGPT to kind of analyze this copy of sales letter and it will provide you the specific framework where fears, desires, concerns, call to action, results, features, benefit, how they are addressed in this text. So you can also do an kind of deep analysis with this. Okay, great. I will produce such more videos and I hope you will find them useful for your use cases.